So, as you can see, there's another box right there, and
down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why?
hey guys, it's Sheila and welcome to Making It in Australia.
Oh no!
Naga pa siya sa background. Anyway guys, today's vlog is gonna be related to our latest vlog. So yeah, have you guys watched the Guess a Sneaker Challenge? If you watched that one and you liked it, I hope you're gonna like this one too, because this is gonna be about sneakers. Oh my god. Guys, flex ko lang ang Kobe wall ni Roel. Oh.
Oh my god! Wow!
Home office, hopefully we can do the home tour na overdue, long overdue. So guys, if you like this video already, give us a thumbs up and share this vlog, guys. Right, so something came in the mail today. Something arrived actually, not in the mail. Want to show you guys. Ta-da! I'm not gonna show you our dress, but ta-da! It's a box of something, and if you guess sneaker, yes, you're correct. And we're gonna unbox it together. Yes! So we ordered the sneaker actually a week ago. So a big shout out to our friend Nestor. Woo! Nes, thank you so much for a discount from NHS.
Sana all!
Shout out sa lahat ng nurses, guys! We all did it! Living our best lives because we're risking our lives. So yeah, shout out to our friend Nestor in the UK because we're giving discounts to nurses, and so one of our best friends is nursing in the UK, so we've got the discount. Ta-da! And he's also a sneakerhead, so right, Nestor, do the challenge. Right, without further ado, let's open this box. Gives me so much pleasure. And living a mess too. Righto! So, as you can see, there's another box right there, and ooh, this is the receipt. Alright guys. Ta-da! OMG! Look at the box though. It's quite fancy, baby. Box. Woo! Righto, so can you see? The photo right there.
Wow!
Oh my gosh. Righto, if you're familiar with him, he's King James.
LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James.
This is actually my first LeBron shoes. I'm not a fan of LeBron, but because he's with the Lakers now, so I'm a fan, if that makes sense. I'm a big fan of Kobe. He's been a legend all throughout, and even though I'm not really a big fan of basketball, I'm a big fan because of him, because of my father and my sister. Have a story? Anyway, let's open this. Ready? 1, 2, and...
Oops!
Right. 1, 2, and...
Pamelo ka 10,000!
May cover pa, guys. Right. Ooh.
First time.
Yes, first time mag-unbox.
Huh?
Pwede na!
Ta-da! Woo! Ah! Nagpapataga. Right. Hey! Look baby.
Nice.
Nice. So this is the LeBron 7QS. Court purple, white, amarillo, violet court, amarillo, black. Right, so ang haba ng name nun. So this is the LeBron 7QS. Look at that, guys. It looks so fancy. I like it. Yeah. Right, story behind Ruel actually searched for this. He didn't really search, but he saw that they've got this in my size. So he offered it to me, and one thing that attracted me the most of the sneak, it's its colorway. And shout out to the Lakers, because you know what, guys, being a big Kobe fan, we really bleed purple and gold. Righto, so look at that, guys. I think this is bagay to our wall, right? Should I not wear it, or should I just post this in our Lakers wall right here? So yeah, put a comment down below, guys, if I should do that, or should I just flaunt it or flex it everywhere I go. But anyway, just to tell you about it. Right, so I'm gonna show you the second pair. That's that. Damn. So this one's the purple. The right pair of the shoe is purple, and the left one is gold, or the yellow. Look at that. It's really cool. You can see the sole, right?
If someone has a size 12.5, let her know.
Yeah, let me know, guys. Leave a comment down below, because my husband is really keen on doing a matchy for this one. So just to give you a quick review, the box is really nice. It comes in a black and white LeBron layout, so I think that's the streets and everything, so it's really nice look. And the shoe itself, I just want to say it's really good quality wise, guys. It's nice. This one has a crisscross it's not mesh, babe. It's not mesh, so it's
a
fused. And this is not leather, so which is really good, because sometimes I rub my shoes. Stumbled leather, but it's not the velvety one. Tumbled leather. So
the velvety one is not leather. That's
a different one. Anyway, so sole wise, look at that. It's purple and gold, I think. So what do you call this one? What the? So it's a mismatched LeBrons, guys. So right, if you want me to do a sneaker collection vlog, guys, I'm gonna do that. Leave the comment down below if you want me to do that. But yeah, I also have another, we call it what the sneaker, because they're mismatched sneakers. So yeah, it's added to my collection. That's actually why I got attracted to this, because it's purple and yellow. So
it's loud, it matches your
yeah, it's really loud, and I'm loud. Like my level of loud is okay, right on. Alright guys, let's get down to the details. Right off. So we call this a mismatched shoes, because the two colors that is combining these shoes is actually just the opposite of the other one. So just like this one, you can see that's in the tongue. The lining is, the tongue is majority purple, but the lining of it is gold. And same with the other one. The tongue is in a gold color, and the lining of it inside is in a purple. So it's kind of cool, you know, guys. And also with the laces, let's go down to the laces. The tip of the lace is actually the opposite color of the shoe. So the opposite color of the lace, sorry. So if the lace is yellow, the tip of it is purple. And if the lace is purple, the tip of it is yellow. So it's really kind of cool, guys. And as you can see, the body of it is really... Hey, stop! it really represents LeBron because I think it's his style of shoe, isn't it? So
He's a big guy.
he's a big guy. So watch Guess the Sneakers Challenge show. You'll get what I mean, guys, because it's really the type of the shoe and the characteristic of the shoe. That's how I can distinguish it. Wow. Sorry. Correct. So anyway, even with the Nikes, check as well. And it's also what's the color of the other one is the highlight of the other shoes. So anyway, also the bubble sole that it has here, and this gold bit, the speckle of it is purple, and same as the other one, it's a purple sole, but the speckle of it is yellow. So it's really kind of cool. And the sole part, right? So as you can see on the right shoe, the center of the sole is purple, and on the left shoe it's gold. So yeah, I really love it, guys. I actually just wore the shoe. I just took it off to show you the details, but it's really comfortable. It's really nice. And for those of you who know me, I'm a sporty girl, so I can actually rock this with a dress. I can think of a lot of outfits that can go with this. Yeah. And also with the pants, but it's just, you know, it's a girl thing. But anyway, right now, guys, watch out for my OTDs. Follow me on Instagram so I can update you with the outfits that's gonna go with it. No, I'm not sure. I'm actually kind of, yeah. I wanna wear them tomorrow because tomorrow is the 24th of September. We're planning to go somewhere to celebrate Mama's birthday. Happy birthday, Ma, in advance. Dito sa Australia. Anyway, yeah. So anything that you wanna add, baby?
I'm still so jealous.
Yeah, he's just jealous. But anyway, guys, comment down below. I know I'm not really giving justice to how I review the shoe, but all sneakerheads out there, if you're watching, give me a comment down below so I can actually improve my reviewing comments. And yeah, I think that's about it, guys. Whew, what I can say, I'm in love. Thank you, LeBron. I guess this is actually my tribute to Kobe. This is my remembrance of him and his team and his color, because I don't have this colorway too. And yeah, thank you, LeBron, for making this. Shout out to the Lakers. I hope you win para naman ma-tribute natin to kay Kobe. Right on, Kobe, we miss you. Just in addition, I just found out it now because I've been putting the shoes on again. The right part, the right pair says LeBron, and the left foot, the left pair, it says James. So I'm so happy. Yay! Also, I just want to give a shout out to my hamster. He actually found it for me. He found the stickers for me in my size.
No, it's actually Nestor who told me that.
Oh, is it? Is it really Nestor?
But that was like 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks? 2 weeks ago. What?
He told me that it's unavailable in your size.
Oh, okay. So, shout out talaga, Nestor.
Because I asked him to look for it on my size.
Right. And you don't want this on my size, but it came in my size. So, see? Don't look for it.
It's not that I don't want it. It's just that it's not for me. It's not meant to be.
Anyway, thank you, baby. Thank you, Nestor. Love you guys.
Nestor.
Nestor. Alright, guys. We haven't done this one, but I'm gonna show you some highlights of our wall. This is actually our floating shelves featuring Kobe's. So shout out to all sneaker fans out there. I hope you can still hear me. So that's Kobe. A lot of B-roll will be taken by Ruel, and also, right, what do you call this one, baby? He's Kobe dolls. Huh? Is it dolls? Kobe dolls. And Lakers shirt, the yellow and the gold and the purple. So Kobe's number as well, 8 and 24. So this is a sneak peek of our home office. It's not yet ready. Not yet ready. It's always been ready for house tour, but yeah, we just don't have the time. Sorry, busy nurses. So yeah, that's our Kobe jerseys right there, purple and gold. And righto, so these are some of the things that Roel likes. So we've got some boxing gloves right here from Manny Pacquiao, Lakers cap, of course, and Pacquiao versus Horn. This is when we watch Pacquiao and Horn in Queensland. And if you watch the guess the sneaker challenge, guys, you should have guessed what's this. Okay, so leave the comment down below if you know that. Of course, there's football and basketball for the love of the game. And yeah, again, Kobe. Oh my gosh, I already miss him, babe. I don't know, he's different from Jordan, if you get what I mean. Like, he's got his own identity. I don't know, it's just, yeah, it's just Kobe. Anyway, righto, that's about this in this vlog, guys. I hope you like my shoes.
Sana all.
So another added to my collection. So it's a LeBron 7QS Lakers. Alright guys, it's Sheila again, reminding you to inspire like wildfire, dream big dreams, and maybe one day you too can make it in Australia or make it anywhere. Bye! Bye! Love you guys! Mwah. Picture din ako.